Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are an entrepreneur, a business student, or someone with a great idea, you are in the right place. Today we are going to talk about one of the most powerful tools for structuring a business, the business model canvas. Whether you are launching a startup, refining an existing business, or just exploring how successful company operate, understanding the business model canvas or BMC is a game changer. And to make this even more practical, I will use some real world example, and especially I'm going to talk about OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, DAL-E or Sora, which is a game changer in the AI industry. We'll break down its entire business model using this BMC framework. So grab your notebook and let's get started. First of all, the business model canvas or BMC. As I say, this is a powerful visual tool that helps businesses design, analyze, and refine their business model in a very structured way. It was developed by Alexander Osterwald and it is now widely used by startups, enterprise, and innovators worldwide. Traditional business plan can be lengthy, rigid, and complex, sometimes stressing over 40 plus pages. The BMC or business model canvas offered a concise one-page framework that provides a clear and flexible view of your entire business structures. So, how does business model canvas actually work? It consists of 9 key building blocks that represent different aspects of a business. Together, these elements provide a holistic view of how a business actually operates. Now, let's break down each section one by one and apply it to OpenAI so that you can understand and see how a real business fit into this particular model. Remember one thing, the first step in the business model canvas is defining your customer segments. Who are you creating value for? Every business has customer, but understanding them deeply is what sets successful business apart. To identify your customer segment, ask yourself these crucial questions. Who are the primary user of your product or services? Do you have a single type of customer or multiple independent segments? What problems or needs do they actually have that you are solving with your businesses? What are their behaviors, habits, and preferences? And how do they currently address their needs with the alternative exist? Business can actually serve in a single market like a coffee shop. They are selling coffee to an individual customer, focusing on one type of customer, or a multi-sided market. That means serving different customer groups that interact with each other like YouTube. That platform actually serves both content viewer and also the advertisers who depends each other for the platform success. As I said, I will talk about OpenAI and I will fit OpenAI's model into BMC. So how does this customer segment apply to OpenAI? OpenAI, you know, that operates actually in a multi-sided market, meaning it serves different types of customer who use AI in various ways. So business and developer is one of their customer segment. Companies and individual developers integrating OpenAI's API into their application like chatbots, automation, or AI powered tool. Then could be casual users like me, individual using ChatGPT or different other platforms like Sora or DALL-E for content creation, writing assistant, or research. Another sort of segment is enterprise client, large-scale companies using OpenAI's AI solution in their business operation, customer segment, or data analysis. At the same time, researcher and academia, universities and AI researchers using on AI advancement, ethics, and machine learning studies in their day-to-day activities or different researches. Each of these customer segments has different needs, expectations, and pain points. Businesses and developers need scalable AI solution with the strong API support, while casual users prefer a simple and user-friendly interfaces. Enterprise client, on the other hand, requires custom AI models, security, and compliances, whereas researchers need access to OpenAI's technical scientific studies. So defining your customer segment is not just about identifying different groups, it is about understanding their specific need and how your business delivers value to them. Now that we have identified our customer segment, the next step of business model canvas is defining your value proposition, or I can say this is the step 2. Remember, a strong value proposition addresses your customer's pain point and also highlights how your business creates value for them. So to define your value proposition effectively, ask yourself these crucial questions. What specific problem or pain point does your product solve for your consumers? What makes your product or service unique? How does your solution improve your customers' life and also the businesses? What differentiated your product from competitors, and also does your value comes from price, quality, convenience, performance, innovation, or something else? Remember, your value proposition should be clear, compelling, and also directly aligned with your customer segment. Now let's go back to OpenAI's value proposition again. As you know, OpenAI serves multiple customer groups, so its value proposition differ from each other. So let's see how it looks in terms of value proposition for different customer segment. First of all, powerful AI model. Obviously, OpenAI provides leading-edge AI technology that enables businesses, researchers, and individuals to leverage advanced machine learning model for automation, research, and creativity. Then, user-friendly AI tools. OpenAI's product like ChatGPT, Sora, or DALL-E require no programming skill, making AI accessible to non-technical users for writing, brainstorming, image creation, or even video creation. Then scalable AI solution. Businesses and developers can integrate OpenAI's API-based AI solution into their own application, allowing for seamless automation, intelligent chatbot, and also enhanced user experience. Each of these value propositions solves a different problem. A developer values OpenAI's scalability and integration options, while an individual user benefits from ease of use and also instant AI assistance. At the same time, enterprises require secure and also large-scale AI solution, and also researchers need cutting-edge model for their innovations. Now that we have defined customer segment and value proposition, the next step in your business model canvas is the channel. How a business delivers its product or service to the customer. Your channel are the pathways through which the customers deliver, evaluate, and access your offering. They can be digital, physical, direct, indirect, or even mix of both. To define the right channel for your business, ask yourself these particular questions. How do customers currently find and learn about your product? Where do customers go to purchase or access to your service or product? What is the most efficient and cost-effective way to reach out to the audience? At the same time, are your channel online, offline, or both? And lastly, which channel work best for each of the customer segment for your business? Remember, the right channel ensures your value proposition reaches the right audience at the right time. So let's go back to OpenAI's example again. Since OpenAI serves different customer group, it uses multiple channels to deliver its AI product and service effectively. First of all, website and direct sales. Individual can sign up for ChatGPT, DALL-E, or other AI tools directly from OpenAI's website. This self-service model allows users to explore AI with minimal friction. Then API marketplace. Developers and business access OpenAI's API platform, integrating AI models into their own application for automation, customer service, and also content generation. Another one is enterprise sales team. OpenAI engages directly with large organization and enterprise client, offering custom AI solutions, security, and compliance for large-scale AI integration. So each channel serves a specific purpose. A casual user finds OpenAI through their website and direct sign up, whereas a developer accesses it through their API marketplace. At the same time, enterprise clients go through a sales team for their tailored AI solution. So selecting the right channel is crucial for growth. They ensure that your business reaches its target audience efficiently and also cost effectively. So far we have covered 3 steps: customer segment, value proposition, and channel. The next step in the business model canvas is the customer relationship. How a business interact with and also retain its customer. Building a strong relationship with the customer is essential for trust, loyalty, and also long-term success. Businesses must decide whether their customer interaction will be automated, personalized, community-driven, or a mix of these approaches. To define right customer relationship for your business, ask yourself, how do we acquire new customer? How do we retain and engage with existing customer? Do consumers expect self-service, personal assistant, or automated services? What type of communication channels or what type of communication keep customer coming back? And another important part is, how do we turn first-time user into long-term and also loyal customer? Remember, a well-planned customer relationship strategy ensures high engagement, low churn rate, and also long-term business sustainability. So since OpenAI serves multiple customer segments, it actually tailors its customer interaction to fit different needs. First of all, freemium model. OpenAI offer free access to ChatGPT with the option to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus with $20 per month for better performance. So this encourages the user's engagement while generating recurring revenue. Then self-service and community services or community supports. OpenAI provides detailed documentations, FAQs, and also community forum where users can learn, troubleshoot, and also discuss AI applications. And for the enterprise account management, large organizations using OpenAI's AI solution receive dedicated customer support, account management, and also security compliance guidance to meet their business needs. As you know, each customer segment expects a different level of interaction. A casual user is fine with self-service and also community engagement, while an enterprise client requires dedicated support team and also personalized onboarding. So the next stage of your business model canvas is the revenue stream, which defines actually the various way a company monetizes its value proposition and also ensures financial sustainability. Simple terms, this is how your company actually make money. To determine the right revenue stream, you need to ask yourself, what are customers willing to pay for? How does each customer segment contribute to the revenue? What pricing model works best? Subscription, one-time payment, licensing, or the freemium? How do factors like competition, cost, and also perceived value influence your pricing? Remember, a well-defined revenue stream strategy ensures long-term business growth and profitability. So let's go back to the OpenAI's case again. OpenAI actually generates revenue from multiple sources, ensuring it serves both individual users and also enterprise client effectively. Like first of all, ChatGPT's Plus subscription. User pay $20 per month for faster responses time, priority access, and also enhanced AI capability. This is called freemium model. This freemium model encourages free users to upgrade. Then API uses fee. Businesses and developers pay based on API consumptions, allowing them to integrate OpenAI's AI into their own platform, application, and also services. Then for the enterprise, this is enterprise licensing and also consulting. Large corporation and institutions actually pay for custom AI solution, including tailored model, compliances, security, and also priority support. Another one is AI research and model licensings. OpenAI partner with organizations and institutions to license AI model for specific use cases such as automation, research, or specialized AI powered tools. So the thing here is revenue streams are essential, no doubt, for any business model, ensure long-term financial stability and growth. Company must continuously optimize their pricing model and also explore new opportunity to maximize the revenue. So the next step in the business model canvas is the key activities, the essential things a business must do to create and deliver value to its customer. Key activities actually define the core operation that keep a business running. These activities should be directly aligned with value proposition, ensuring the company deliver its promises. To identify the key activities, obviously you should ask yourself, what is the most critical task we must perform to deliver our product or services? What activities help us maintain and enhance our value proposition? Which processes drive customer acquisition, engagement, and retention? What activities are crucial for maintaining competitive advantages? Do we rely on technology, research, operation, or customer support to function? So by identifying these key activities, business can optimize resources and also focus on truly what really matters. As you know, as an AI-driven company, OpenAI focuses on innovation, model development, and also scaling its AI solution. So let's talk about some of the core activities that drives in their successes. First of all, the important one is developing and training AI model. They need to constantly improving GPT models, DAL-E, and also other AI technologies to enhance performance, accuracy, and also efficiency. Then AI safety and ethics research, ensuring AI is safe, unbiased, and also ethical, minimizing the risks such as misinformation, harmful content, and also bias in AI output. Scaling AI infrastructure, managing high-performance cloud computing system to ensure millions of users and also enterprise clients. Then maintaining OpenAI's API services, ensuring developers and businesses can integrate AI models seamlessly into their platform. So then customer support and also community engagement, offering self-service help centers, documentation, and also community forum, as well as direct support to the enterprise client. And one more thing is business development and also partnership, expanding OpenAI's reach through corporate partnership, licensing agreement, and also enterprise AI solutions. So each of the key activities directly support OpenAI's value proposition and also ensure it meets the need of different customer segment. For example, continuous AI model improvement is essential for businesses and also developers, while AI safety research actually benefits the broader AI community and also the regulators. So by identifying and focusing on core activity, business can allocate resources efficiently and drive more or long-term actually successes. So moving on to the next one is key resources, the essential assets a business needs to operate and deliver value to its customer. Key resources are the strategic building block that supports product development, customer relationship, and also revenue generation. These resources can be physical, intellectual, human, and also the financial. So to determine the key resources for your business, you must ask yourself, what critical asset do we need to deliver our value proposition? Which resources are essential for customer acquisition and retention? Do we rely more on technology, people, intellectual property, or infrastructures? How do these resources contribute to revenue generation and also the competitive advantage? And one more thing is, are there any unique assets that differentiate us from the competitors? Remember, a business must invest in the right resource to maintain long-term sustainability and the growth. If we think about OpenAI's key resources, first thing is OpenAI's most valuable asset is its suite of powerful API models, including GPT-4 or upcoming GPT-5, DAL-E codex, which powers its AI-driven application. Then OpenAI relies on high-performance cloud computing, primarily through Microsoft Azure, to process vast amount of AI training data and also serve millions of users. Then the continuous AI model training, testing, and innovation are at the core of OpenAI's operation, ensuring ongoing improvement in their AI capabilities. Next one is the proprietary AI technologies, training dataset, and research finding are critical assets that give OpenAI a competitive edge in the AI industry. Then OpenAI employs world-class AI researchers, engineers, data scientists, driving AI development, safety research, and also enterprise solution. And last one is business and strategic relationship or partnership, collaboration with the Microsoft enterprises and also AI Research Institute help OpenAI scale its technology and expand its reach. So as you see here, the key resource play a vital role in OpenAI's ability to deliver value to its customer. Without powerful AI model, there would be no chance for ChatGPT or API services to do something. Without cloud infrastructure, OpenAI would not be able to serve millions of users worldwide. And without a highly skilled research team, AI innovation would stagnate. So for any business, securing and optimizing key resources is essential to maintain a competitive advantage and also ensuring long-term success. So moving to the next one for business model canvas is the key partnership, the external organizations and entities that help a business operate efficiently and scale. Remember, key partnership allow companies to leverage external expertise, infrastructure, and resource without having to develop entirely in-house. A strategic collaboration can also help businesses reduce cost, expand their reach, and also improve their offering. So to determine the key partnership for your business, you must ask these following questions. Who are our most important partners, suppliers, or collaborators? Which partnership help us enhance our value proposition? What external resources do we rely on to operate efficiently? Are there strategic alliances that provide us with competitive advantage? And which activities or processes can be outsourced to focus on core business functionalities? So building a strong partnership can help businesses scale faster and operate more efficiently. So let's see OpenAI's key partnership. OpenAI actually collaborates with various organizations to enhance their AI capacities, expand market reach, and also maintain its technological edge. So first of all, OpenAI partners with Microsoft Azure for their cloud computing resources, enabling large-scale AI training and also deployment. Then businesses that integrate OpenAI's AI model with APIs serves as both customer and also strategic partners as they help expand AI adoption across the industries. Then different research institute and in universities, OpenAI actually collaborating with academic institution to drive AI safety research, ethics discussion, and also machine learning advancement. Then partnership with AI regulatory bodies, ethical AI research groups, and also global policymakers help ensure responsible AI development and compliance. And the last one is companies integrating with OpenAI's AI into their own software systems such as productivity tools and automation platform helps drive innovation and also commercialization. So each of these key partnership helps OpenAI focus on their core mission, developing safe and also powerful AI, which leveraging external expertise and also resources. For example, Microsoft provide the necessary cloud computing power, and also enterprise client help refine OpenAI's commercial AI application. No doubt, key partners are essential for reducing operational burden and also accelerating innovation and expanding market opportunities. So the step 9, or the last step of business model canvas, which is cost structure, basically analyzing the key expenses required to run the business. A company's cost structure should align with key activities, key resources, and also key partnerships. Understanding cost help businesses optimize spending, maintaining profitability, and make strategic financial decisions. To determine the cost structure, you must ask yourself, what is the biggest operational cost in the business model? Which key activities and resources drive the most expenses? Are costs more fixed like rent, salaries, or variable like cloud uses and also customer support? How can we optimize and reduce the cost without compromising value? And one more thing is, what external factors like inflation, tech cost influence our cost structure? Remember, efficient cost management ensure that revenue stream remain sustainable and also profitability is maximized. So OpenAI's case for the cost structure: as a technology-driven company, OpenAI's biggest cost revolves around AI research, cloud infrastructure, and also operational scalability. When you talk about cost structure, first thing is running AI models at scale required massive cloud computing power, primarily through Microsoft Azure, which actually contributes to high operational cost. Then OpenAI actually invests heavily in AI model training, innovation, and also ethical AI research. Requires top-tier researchers, engineers, and also data scientists. Then OpenAI hires a world-class AI researchers, engineers, and also business strategists, making salaries a major fixed cost. At the same time, maintaining user experience, API support, enterprise solution requires investment in customer service and also moderation teams. Then they need to think about the regulatory compliance and AI safety. Ensuring AI models are safe, unbiased, and ethical involves costs related to policy compliance, security, and also risk management. And one more thing is, OpenAI promotes its AI product through marketing, enterprise partnership, and also industry outreach, all of which incur actually cost. So what we have seen here, each of these cost factor plays a critical role in OpenAI's business model. For example, AI model training is extremely computationally expensive, and hiring top talent as well ensure for continuous innovation. At the same time, enterprise sales and regulatory compliance add additional cost layer for them. So a well-structured cost model ensures that the business can balance expenses while maintaining competitive pricing and also long-term profitability. So now we have gone through all the 9 components of business model canvas. What's next? It is the time to put all together and look at how to apply it, analyze your business, and also plan for your next step. Remember, business model canvas is not just a static document. It is a strategic tool that helps business iterate, refine, and also innovate. So let's see how to use it effectively. So first of all, entrepreneurs can use BMC to quickly outline and also refine business idea, replacing long and complex business plan. Second thing is, companies can use the canvas to identify opportunities, weakness, and areas for improvement in their existing model. At the same time, a clear business model help investors and stakeholders quickly understand a company's strategically growth potential. Another one is business can compare their model against competitor and also identifying the gaps and competitive advantage. Then if market conditions shift, business can reassess and also modify their model to remain competitive. At the same time, large companies can use BMC to explore new business line, partnership, and also revenue model. So, as I said earlier, business model canvas is more than just a planning tool. It is a framework for continuous innovation. Businesses that regularly analyze and adapt their model stay ahead of the competition. So now it is your turn. Download the free business model canvas template in the description, map out your business idea, and let me know in the comment section what is the most valuable insight you gained from this exercise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights. See you in the next video.